Ever wondered if plastic chew toys are bad for your dogs? It's a question that concerns many dog owners, often leading to misconceptions about these playful products. Some fear that dogs may ingest harmful substances, while others worry about the durability of these toys. Enter ChewGuard technology, a revolutionary concept designed to ensure safe and prolonged playtime for our furry friends. So, can dogs eat plastic chew toys? Well, the answer is yes, thanks to ChewGuard technology. Now, what exactly is this ChewGuard technology we're talking about? Well, ChewGuard technology is a unique manufacturing process that adds a super tough, durable liner to soft plush toys. This technology is designed to withstand even the toughest of chewers. Imagine this, a soft, cuddly toy that your dog loves, but reinforced from the inside out. It's like giving your dog's favorite plush toy a suit of armor. The toys are double-stitched and reinforced with a ChewGuard material for added durability. The best part about ChewGuard technology is that it doesn't compromise the softness and cuddliness of the toy. The technology is seamlessly integrated into the manufacturing process, making the toy safer and more durable for dogs without taking away from their fun. And the concern about whether or not plastic chew toys are bad for dogs or if dogs can eat plastic chew toys. With ChewGuard technology, you no longer have to worry about your furry friend's safety while they're enjoying their favorite chew toy. But how does ChewGuard technology benefit our dogs, you might be wondering? Well, let's dive into the key advantages. First and foremost, ChewGuard technology dog toys are safer. They are designed to be non-toxic and resistant to small fragment break-off, addressing concerns like, can dogs eat plastic chew toys? Secondly, these toys are more durable. They are built to withstand the rigorous chewing of even the most enthusiastic dogs. No more replacing toys every other week. And let's not forget about dental health. The texture of these toys can help clean your dog's teeth and promote healthier gums. Now, you might be questioning, are nylon chew toys safe for dogs? Absolutely. Thanks to ChewGuard technology, these toys are not only safe but also beneficial for your furry friend's oral health. So, the next time you're shopping for your dog's chew toys, remember to look for ones with ChewGuard technology. Your dog's safety and happiness are worth it.